Hey now, this is KaMau. I'm out here in the natural world, actually working on my garden. And I keep getting these emails and Facebook comments asking me, well, do I have to have a tiller in order to work out in the yard? And the thing is that a lot of what I'm doing out here, I created in the ground without a tiller. In fact, I haven't used the tiller in the last 2 years. And there are reasons why you might need a tiller. For example, I do have clay out here, and sometimes when the clay is really hard, you might have to drill into it, with a tiller. But if it's not too hard, then I recommend you don't use a tiller. In fact, you can use a very simple technique that I'm going to show you right here. Now, it rained, and that helps because that makes the ground a little softer. But either way, the thing is, and I saw this on YouTube a couple years ago, the thing is that all you have to do is just clear a little bit of the grass off of the top, and then just come down the row with a shovel and lift the dirt up, and then just pile the dirt on top of the whatever's left, grass or whatever, on both sides. You're just basically piling the dirt up on top, just flipping the grass over basically. The grass underneath will die off and become fertilizer in the ground. And as you can see, I'm going to show you, once you get these mounds up like that, then all I do is I add compost in when I'm putting my plants in, and off they go. And as you can see, they are doing very well without tilling. Let me show you how I do it. Alright, so you see this mound, this is the one we just did. Starting to put some starters in there. All of these mounds were done the same way. This mound with these onions was done the same way. Alright, so we're gonna start by moving a little grass across the top. Look, there's a big... All I'm going to do then is come down the side where there's dirt and lift it up and put it on top like that. Now if I see some big roots or whatever, I can move them. But mostly it's not necessary. Just making a mound. What's really nice is if you get in there and you see those worms, that's good. And do the same thing on the other side. Let's get up there. Let's put the dirt on top like that. Had to get around a few roots from trees that were down here before, but we managed to work that out. So now I'm just building this mound on top. This method creates a natural trench, as you can see, so later when you get ready to put water on your plants and the water leaks down, it'll fall into the trench and then it'll go underneath. And when the plants get larger, it's easier to get water to the roots. Alright, and here is the final version. It's ready to go, so just like the one next to it right here, we're going to take that one and put some new cauliflower in. That's how it's done. So for example, here is what it looks like after it's up with a little grass thrown on top. All these mounds here were built that way. You can see everything is doing very well. Here you see the collard greens later, same manner, after they have gotten going. So you can see that we're not having any problems growing without tilling. So this mound right here was done in the exact same manner. You can see. And you see the plants are thriving quite well. No tiller.